to import GPX file to Google Maps? In order to import GPX files, you have to open browser, and when you open it, at the top you can see the web address bar or the address bar. Click on it, and here you need to type in google.com slash my maps and press enter on the keyboard, and a new interface of Google Maps will open where you can click on create new map button at the top left corner of the screen. And creating a My Maps map always upload title, thumbnail and associate metadata to Drive. So let's click on create button. And then at the left hand side you can easily find out the import button. Here you can add places to this layer by drawing or importing data. So in order to import GPX file, you have to click on import button, and then you can easily click on browse and import GPX files to Google Maps. And then you can easily search for any GPX file that is available here, and then you can easily click on open button and open it as per your choice. Once you import it, you can easily load up all the layers and you can also rename it. So after importing the GPX files to Google Maps, you can easily view all that GPX file on your Google Map. You can also open that GPX file on your mobile device or Android device as well. So this was the way you can do, or it will help us to import GPX file to Google Maps. So after following all the steps, you can easily import GPX files to Google Map. I hope this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, make sure to hit the like button, press the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.